Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, yesterday I put a video for you to give me your opinion about what had happened to the engine. I will leave you a link in case you have not seen it. As you have put in the comments, that the majority, indeed, what has happened is that it went into self-combustion. We had already told the owner that turbo had clearance and that he had to change it as soon as possible. He ignored us, and in the end, what was predictable would happen happened. That the engine blew up, it went into self-combustion, and of course, when it goes into self-combustion, in a very short time an engine can run out of oil, because this engine has a turbo, it is turbo diesel. Okay? Then, when it runs out oil, the engine seizes, the crankshaft keeps turning and there is no oil to lubricate it, and then, well, you can see what has happened. The gudgeon or bolt must go inside here, which joins it to the piston. Well, you can see that it is. Part of the connecting rod has not broken, has been deformed but has not broken. What has broken has been a bolt that was there. It has been released, and for this reason, by continuing to move the crankshaft, the connecting rod has come out of the side of the engine block. That side has coincided with the area where the engine is located. Starter. Notice that the client tells us, I have the starter motor off the hook, and one thing that I don't know what it is the connecting rod. You see, well, in addition to the starter motor, when it hits it, what it has done has been, if you look closely, here are the screws that attach it to the gearbox. This is a piece of the bell of the gearbox, okay? This engine has a broken turbo. The engine itself, and also, the box of changes. Of course, the breakdown is much more expensive than the van is worth. In fact, this van has already been thrown away in a scrapyard. Well, here I leave this video. If it has been useful to you, then do not forget to give a like and